Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to star a photo in WhatsApp chat. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on a chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Within the chat, select the specific photo that you want to star. Simply tap on the photo to open it in full view. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a star icon. Tap on it to mark the selected photo as starred. And there you have it. You've successfully starred a photo in WhatsApp chat. Now you can easily find and access important photos in the starred section. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.